How to fix Safari not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix if Safari is not working on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have your Safari browser over here and for some reason it's not really working on your device, right? First of all, what you need to do is make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi properly. After you've made sure of that, open the settings application, then just go to this option here known as general, then go to iPhone storage. And after you come to iPhone storage, from here what you want to do is simply look for the Safari application and then tap on it. From here you can see website data. Just try to delete all the website data from here by tapping on the remove now option. Go to the option called offline reading list and remove that. You can also choose to clear your history, downloads and extensions if you have installed any extensions here. Once done, you can also see the documents and data. Now after this, what you need to do is head over to your app store and in the search box just go ahead and then type in Safari. And once you basically go ahead and type in Safari, if the Safari app has an update, make sure to just update the Safari app to the latest version, and this should definitely also solve the problem. Hope this video helped you as to how you can fix Safari not working on iPhone. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.